26th December. Aries. Overview. You may be attempting something quite difficult at this time. Take time to reflect upon what you are doing and go forward with a clear mind. Don't hurry things or you may make unnecessary mistakes. After all, slow and steady wins the race. Moreover, to understand your tasks fully, you need to be deliberate and cautious in all your undertakings. 26th December. Aries. Romance. Romantically, this is a fruitful period and today is no exception. Enjoy the outdoors with someone you love and appreciate the time you two can spend together. You may find that if your family has objections previously to a partner of your choice, that they may have begun to come around. Celebrate this positive change, of course, if you have helped to make it happen. 26th December. Aries. Career. Your career will look up today, filling you with a sense of pride and enthusiasm. This positive development will make you feel like taking the bull by the horns when it comes to your work. All obstacles will seem to vanish in front of you. Way to go! 26th December. Aries. Finance. A lucrative business opportunity is likely to knock on your door today. You need to grab it to make progress in your financial sphere. It will also help you to develop new influential contacts. Having a new ally in business would also help you make gains at this time. It would bring lucrative returns and a further expansion of your business. Aligning with like-minded people would benefit you immensely. Therefore, it is a good time to start a new venture based on a partnership, as all are likely to be benefited. However, choose your partners wisely before joining hands. 26th December. Aries. Health. If you suffer from blood sugar problems or diabetes, you will find that today there is some improvement in your condition. You have been quite regular about following the doctor's orders, so don't let yourself slip up now. Today, get out for some light exercise and eat right, and you will see how much more your condition can improve. 26th December. Taurus. Overview. Today you may feel like breaking out of your shell and taking some risks. You may want to make significant leaps forward in many areas of your life, including in your relationship and in your career. Or you may feel like doing something as adventurous as skydiving. Choose whichever path suits you today and go for it. You are sure to see some gains that come from your stepping out of your comfort zone. 26th December. Taurus. Romance. Today, romance is a real possibility for you as you have a chance encounter with a person you find very attractive. It is a distinct possibility that you will meet this person in a work-related situation. It will prove to be an interesting encounter and perhaps even quite romantic, though you will have to try and keep the sparks from flying until you are out of the office. 26th December. Taurus. Career. An overseas career or an academic institution is playing on your mind today. Consider it as you are mulling this option over for good reason. Options chosen today regarding overseas opportunities would bring you joy in the long run. If you have already applied, you may receive some good news from overseas today. Great job! 26th December. Taurus. Finance. The slow pace of business could only give you some financial tension. However, instead of worrying, you should find ways to improve your business. Careful planning would be needed to achieve success in various projects you are juggling now. It would be in your interest if you focus your attention on projects in hand first before trying to expand your operations. Perseverance will enable you to achieve your financial goals. However, you will have to formulate some new strategies for good results. 26th December. Taurus. Health. Today, try not to lose your temper as it will make your blood pressure skyrocket. The tension that results from your outburst will also result in some sleepless nights for you, feeling guilty. If you hold your tongue today, you will find that many health benefits from your wise choice. 26th December. Gemini. Overview. Your intellectual output will be high today and you will be able to use it to plan for the future. Focus on your goals and everything will happen as planned. Such are the times when you must use your mental abilities to the fullest. Therefore, have confidence in yourself and take circumstances as they come, one by one, and you will conquer all hurdles in your path. 26th December, Gemini, romance. Don't get carried away today if someone has caught your eye in the office. It may seem innocent enough in the beginning, but it is very important that you don't jeopardize your professional standing in the office and get into a reckless relationship at this time. Remember, you need this job more than you need your cubicle neighbor making eyes at you. 26th December, Gemini, career. If you have been receiving accolades for your achievements at work, then you will need to be careful of competition, both within and outside the organization. There is a chance of false allegations being made by your rivals, so do watch your back and be wary of sharing too much information. Business rivals are active, but you deal with them effectively. 26th December, Gemini, finance. If you are in the field of public relations, then you will likely find that today keeps you exceptionally busy. You may find that your current accounts have got you working overtime, or that you have some new accounts coming in from multiple directions. Make the most of this very productive and fruitful time. 26th December, Gemini, health. Today keep a close eye on your emotional health, as stress may be getting the better of you. You may be under high academic, social or work pressures and are not expressing the full extent of your tension. Make sure you have open communication with someone today and try to get a handle on your own emotional state. Pamper yourself a bit and do your best to relax. 26th December, Cancer, overview. Today is a day to really dream big for yourself. What is it that you really want in life? Today is the day to start your life. List all the things you want to do in your lifetime. Efforts taken towards this step today will prove extremely fruitful and will help clarify your goals to yourself. Start working towards them today. 26th December, Cancer, romance. Today you are feeling exceptionally social and want to talk on the phone with the friends all day. You also find that you can't get enough time with your partner and you want to spend all your spare time in his or her company. This is a good time for strengthening bonds. Just don't do it at the expense of all your other responsibilities. 26th December, Cancer, career. The possibility of attaining an important administrative position exists at this time if you want to get into the IAS or the government service. Search for that ideal open position and send out your resume now, as you are sure to get an interview. As you well know, landing a job has never really been a problem for you. 26th December, Cancer, finance. You may be worried today about your family's finances. To make matters worse, rising expenses at home will make you nervous. Relax and take things one at a time. Manage your finances and cut down on unnecessary expenditures. Why not take the advice of a good financial consultant? 26th December, Cancer, health. You will experience much relief today from the positive change in your stress level. A good healthy diet, some rest and relaxation, and some light exercise are really starting to pay off for you. Those who have been suffering from digestion problems will see that their symptoms subside and they are feeling well again. 26th December, Leo, overview. There will be domestic bliss happening in your home today, as you will enjoy your friends and family. Any squabbles that occurred recently will evaporate today, much to everyone's relief. Guests from afar are also indicated at this time, so be ready for some company. All the aspects surrounding your home and family today are good. 26th December, Leo, romance. There are indications that you may begin a romantic relationship as an interesting person catches your eye. However, you must give this a thought before doing anything too impulsively. Make sure that this is not infatuation. Otherwise, you will have to face some disappointments. Your romantic journey could begin only when the other partner responds positively. 26th December, Leo, career. Even if your job is going well, you may find that whatever sector you are in, today opens up new work opportunities for you that you had not expected. You will have more work in the near future than the projects that are already on your plate, as a new and interesting development is beginning to emerge. Keep your eyes and ears open for news on your job front. 26th December. Leo. Finance. Today will be lucrative for industries that are related to the sea or another body of water. This encompasses a vast array of industries, from those that work with pearls to fisheries. If your work is in any way associated with sea or ocean products, your particular astrological aspects are such that you are sure to gain at this time. 26th December. Leo. Health. Be careful while handling fire or electricity. You are accident prone today and might injure yourself while working with high voltage electrical appliances like microwaves and heaters. Also maintain caution while working with hot objects and while handling fire. Keep water handy in case of emergency. 26th December. Virgo. Overview. You will be on a mental and physical high today. Your spirits will charm everyone around you, be it at home or at work. Even your output at work increases in quality and quantity because of this. Use today to push forward on any pending tasks, and your productivity will be exceptionally high today. 26th December. Virgo. Romance. The stars indicate stability and tranquility in the day. This day finds you with much harmony on the home front, which you are thoroughly enjoying. Take pleasure in your family, for they support you fully and care for you deeply. Pull out the cards, because this is the time for fun and games, with many laughs shared among you. 26th December. Virgo. Career. You are likely to be feeling quite confident in your job today. Your recent ability to solve some problems in the office has been well recognized by your superiors, and you are starting to get the accolades you deserve. Even if your job is undergoing some changes now, you will find that today you are able to show that you're up to any challenge. 26th December. Virgo. Finance. Making money is an uphill task as you encounter one obstacle after another. Today beware of problematic issues that arise in your business. You may find that you encounter many obstacles. Try to put off signing any documents or agreements today if it has to do with a property deal. If you sign today, you may find that it comes back to haunt you later. Try to wait. 26th December. Virgo. Health. You will feel a little sluggish and weary and will wish that you could sit outside and enjoy the breeze. You won't be feeling unwell, but will just have a low inclination to engage in difficult or stressful activities. You can let yourself relax a bit today, as lowered stress levels lead to improved health. Sleep well and greet the next day feeling refreshed. 26th December. Libra. Overview. Today you may find yourself extending help to those around you with no selfish motive whatsoever other than the good feeling it gives you. Relationships will be very high on your list of priorities today, whether with those close to you or with those unknown to you previously. You will enjoy the feeling of bonding that you get when you are with your loved ones today. 26th December. Libra. Romance. Today may bring a special occasion for you for which you can go out, enjoy yourself and meet new people. You will be sure to dress to impress, and others will notice. Keep your eye out for someone who may just catch your attention, as today there is likely to be someone very special in that crowd. This person may even be your soulmate. Overall, today is a day of fun and laughter, so go out and enjoy it. 26th December. Libra. Career. This is the time to set up a new venture if it has been on your plan of things. If you have been working on establishing a new company or organization, you can take that first step today towards your goal. If you begin your efforts today, then you are likely to have a smooth sailing down the line. 26th December. Libra. Finance. Your good financial management skills, supplemented by a positive approach, will enable you to achieve your financial targets. You are likely to be extremely successful in your profession. At the same time, it is very important for you to know your limitations and not let yourself get disheartened if your great ideas and high expectations fail to bring in the desired results. Your financial goals will be met slowly and steadily over the long term. 26th December, Libra, health.
Today, try to keep your stress levels in check. You will find that blood pressure creeping up the scale due to some tension that you have been carrying with you, and it is time for you to beat it back down. Stress can affect your life and health in ways you cannot foresee. So always make time for a few minutes of meditation in order to keep a cool head and a strong immune system.
26th December, Scorpio, overview. Today will be a day for you to focus on prioritizing the things that matter to you most. You will need to find a balance between your family, your relationship, and your work. At times you may have found that one or more aspect has suffered because of too much focus on the other. The thinking and planning you do on these issues today will bring you quite a bit of relief as well as mental clarity. 26th December, Scorpio, romance. Today you should look very closely and honestly at your relationship. If your feelings are waning, and assess what are the origins of some of the problems between you. Root out problems at their source and identify them for what they are. Then address them honestly and openly. That is the only way to truly understand your partner and have them truly understand you. 26th December, Scorpio, career. You are likely to get rewarded for your performance at work. This would infuse you with a new spirit and would motivate you to work harder. However, it would be in your interest to keep this from going to your head. It is time to acquire new technical skills and strive to live up to the expectations of the company. Success on your part would enhance your career prospects. Managers possessing excellent communication skills with a positive attitude are likely to succeed in their endeavor at work. Some of you are also likely to get various overseas offers. 26th December, Scorpio, finance.
The planets are working on your behalf these days in the realm of your finances, so you may well see some financial breakthroughs happen for you today. These positive developments will be most welcome as you have been frustrated by some hurdles lately in the financial and investment realm. Use these changes to your advantage.
26th December, Scorpio, health.
Persons suffering from diabetes and blood pressure will have to be careful today about their health. Make sure that you continue your dietary restrictions and physical exercises. Also try to keep your stress levels down as much as possible. Activities such as yoga and meditation would help you get very close to your fitness ideal.
26th December, Sagittarius, overview. You may attend an important ceremony either in the public or private sphere of your life. It may be that an occasion is celebrated at a relative's house or a social event otherwise. It could also be that you get a chance to meet someone really accomplished. In any case, being there is more important than anything else right now. 26th December, Sagittarius, romance. A new sense of wonder may be imbibed into your ongoing romance today, so be ready for some refreshing changes. Each other's company would enable both of you to share your romantic thoughts, which will breathe some new life into your partnership. It would be good for your relationship if both of you develop some trust and maturity, as well as find creative ways to express your love for each other. 26th December, Sagittarius, career. You find yourself hampered with delays and disappointments on the work front. If you have been looking for a job with little success, you may find that today is another mediocre day for you. You will attend various interviews and will find that they go relatively well, but can expect some further delays before they make you a job offer. Just be patient at this time and you will see your fortunes turning around soon. 26th December, Sagittarius, finance. If you travel for work, you are likely to be asked to go on an overseas assignment today. Unfortunately, you can expect your trip will not be quite as fruitful as you had hoped. You should expect the proposals that come from this trip to falter at some point. Therefore, you should not get your hopes too high for the prospects of this venture. 26th December, Sagittarius, health.
Today you should look towards organized sports as a way to keep fit and maintain a youthful attitude. You will find that you not only enjoy the exercise, but you also enjoy the social aspect of playing team sports as well. Even if you take up an individual sport, your interaction with like-minded people will do you a world of good.
26th December, Capricorn. Overview. Today is a good day to relax and rejuvenate in the company of your loved ones, and family togetherness is highly indicated. Therefore, you may spend time with some close relatives today, even those you may not have seen for a while. It isn't every day that you get a chance to kick off your shoes and catch up with those you love. Have fun. 26th December, Capricorn. Romance. Today you will find there are small, brief periods of excitement in your romantic life. You are likely to have a flirtatious encounter with someone in a social situation, or in a situation in which you weren't even looking for anyone. This could be a friend of a friend, or even an accidental meeting with someone you knew long ago. Just enjoy it for the moment it lasts. Recognize this as a fleeting encounter and don't wish for it to be more. 26th December, Capricorn. Career. Though recent times have been a little challenging, today you will find some positive developments coming your way. Obstacles will subside and you will be able to focus on what is really important. Don't lose your cool unnecessarily today. 26th December, Capricorn. Finance.
Today is slightly ominous financially, as you may need to take a loan from a questionable creditor, or some loans you had taken from a bank or from a friend come back to haunt you. The person or organization that made the loan is ready to call it in, and you're going to have to pay it back ASAP. It's best to confront the situation head on today and not try to run from your responsibilities.
26th December, Capricorn. Health.
Try to keep the stress levels down today, as you may be prone to getting carried away by some of the tensions. Use techniques of deep breathing and yoga to reduce stress and create a harmonious atmosphere in your home. Tensions are fleeting, so don't give them much thought.
26th December, Aquarius. Overview. There may be an unexpected gathering at your home today. However tired or preoccupied you may be, take out time for this gathering. It is not every day that you get a chance to bond with all your friends and family after all. There will be laughs being had by all. Pull out a camera to capture these memories for a long time to come. 26th December, Aquarius. Romance. For couples, recent tension caused by influences outside of the relationship should dissipate today. Take the time to talk things through and make sure to be clear about your wishes in order to avoid any unnecessary misunderstandings. You will each be receptive to the other, which will lead to an increasing harmony and understanding between the two of you, and will give your relationship new depth and meaning. 26th December, Aquarius. Career. For those in sales and marketing, you have probably been under quite a bit of stress lately. You will be glad to see that today a burden of stress and tension begins to lift. Use this time to gain some perspective on all the hard work you've put in recently and pat yourself on the back. Today after work, kick back and relax with friends. 26th December, Aquarius. Finance.
Today will bring gains for creative types. Those opting for architecture or interior designing courses will benefit. Your efforts are likely to be rewarded with a successful interview. Those already in the field will find their income steadily rising as your work is being increasingly noticed and appreciated. More and more projects will come your way, and you should make the most of this fruitful period.
26th December, Aquarius. Health.
Beware of cough and cold today, as today you are susceptible to falling ill with a minor ailment. Keep yourself bundled up in the cold and avoid excessively chilled beverages. Problems plaguing you today will be minor, but need to be paid attention to.
26th December, Pisces. Overview. If you have been finding recently that you have encountered roadblocks or unexpected hurdles in regard to family matters, you may find that today a resolution begins to become clear. Matters with parents and other loved ones will be resolved without too many more understandings. Just focus on clear communication and the hostility will fade away. 26th December, Pisces, romance. Today you may receive an unexpected gift from your beloved and will be surprised and touched by his or her thoughtfulness. Feel the warmth of their affection and return the same in kind. If you put effort into your relationships today, you will see how much your loved ones care for you in return. Enjoy it. 26th December. Pisces, career. You are likely to benefit from your adaptability in all situations at work today. There are indications that this is likely to bring some rewards and recognition your way. At this time, do not be surprised if you are entrusted with some additional responsibilities. These would not only enable you to exhibit your hidden talents, but would also boost your career prospects. Therefore, do not hesitate to grab them. 26th December. Pisces, finance.
If the stock market has been an interest of yours for a while, today is a good day to pursue your options for investing in the market. However, don't do it for day trading, as investments made at this time should be for the long term. Short-term investments made at this time would likely bear less fruit than those you make with your future financial goals in mind.
26th December. Pisces, health.
You're actually feeling quite fit today, so there is not much bad news to report on the health sector. Your physical and mental energies are peaking, giving you that all-powerful feeling. Today you can enjoy your bountiful health and go out for a walk or play your favorite sport. Your energy level is high today and your spirits are even higher.